Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's sponsor spotlight. Today I have with us Dr. Kayla Ambert, and she's a family chiropractor and dietitian based out of Ocean Beach in San Diego. So, Dr. Kayla, can you please introduce yourself and fill in some gaps in that introduction?
Definitely. Thank you, first of all, for having me on. My name, again, is Dr. Kayla Ambert, and I am a chiropractor and a registered dietitian. I specialize in pregnancy, postpartum, and pediatric care. So I take care of those mamas through their pregnancy, after their pregnancy, and take care of those little ones after they come out and make themselves welcome into this world. My focus is to provide holistic and sustainable healthcare to my community so they can help themselves be as healthy as they can be.
I love that. It's so important. And the way that you approach it is it's so well-rounded and so holistic. It's not just one stage. It's like you stay with them throughout the whole growth and all that. I love it. So what would you say is your vision for your practice?
My vision is to educate, empower, and ultimately elevate our mamas, our matriarchs, and our families that are responsible for making those health decisions. I mean, obviously it's a group effort, but we do find that our moms are making the majority of those health decisions for themselves and for their children. So I want to provide the resources and education necessary so they can make the most well-informed decisions for themselves and their family.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Now, at what point did you realize that this is something that you wanted to do?
I guess there's not a point, but maybe a patient. When I started practicing, I started working with terminally ill children.
Oh,
And
wow.
most people wouldn't connect the two, chiropractic care and a terminally ill child. What does that do? But to me, I found the demonstrative effects it can have on a child, maybe who's not in neck pain or back pain, but is having dysfunction within their bodies or discomfort. And those few hours or those few days of relief can make a huge difference on that baby and that family. And everyone surrounding them. So I think that was the point in which I said, you know what, this is the group I want to stick with. So I'm very appreciative of those patients, and they really are the driving force of why I'm here today and what I do.
Yeah, that's so powerful too, because when you have that patient or that experience, that moment that just really impacts you so deeply that you're like, oh my gosh, this is me. This is what I do.
Yeah. Definitely.
So what are you most excited about right now in your business?
So what I'm most excited about is my education program. So I also help run a nonprofit, and our goal is to provide public education. So one of my roles is providing the education. So I am in charge of providing the pediatric and the prenatal classes. So we'll start hosting classes that provide different stretches and exercises and lifestyle recommendations for a pregnant mom.
Let's
So we
go.
can have the most beneficial and smooth pregnancy, because pregnancy isn't easy. So I want to help make that an easy and enjoyable period. And then on the other side of things, I'm going to start teaching pediatric nutrition classes. We're seeing a huge rise in constipation in toddlers and infants. And so simple tools and tricks that we can do at home without going to the doctor to help reduce this issue.
That's great. You know, that's definitely a need. Thought about out of our 4 kids, how many times they've different times been constipated. Like, what's going on? What can we do about it? I mean, I'm not going to tell you the stories now, but
no worries.
Some other time we can, So, Kayla, where can people go to learn more about your practice and your services?
Definitely. So very simple. They can go to drkaylaambert.com. So that's DrKaylaAmbert.com.
Awesome. Thanks. And you guys, so Dr. Kayla is, she's contributing some fabulous goodies that we're going to be given in the raffles at the event. So you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. It's like the whole package that she does, and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. So thank you, Dr. Kayla, for joining me today, and thank you all for joining us for the Sponsor Spotlight. And we'll see you on September 30th for the Sexy Mama's Day Out.